Hello, in this tutorial we will cover the first step of making your application, and that's the installation part. So we are now in the documentation, and these are the documentation. We will cover the first part, the installation. This is general step and will work also for previous or next applications that we will release. Okay, so we're going here, creating your application. For that we need Titanium. You should first test the environment, install Titanium Studio, and test that you are able to run a simple application in it, so you're sure there is no other problem. Okay, so we're going to file new mobile app project. Okay, and we should select classic, and it's no problem whatever you select here. Okay, our name will be my restart. Okay, some ID com dot, and make sure you select the latest available SDK of Titanium, and select iPad, iPhone and Android. If you're on Mac, or if you're on Windows only, select Android. Make sure you select cloud enable this application and click finish. Okay, after the application is created, we should follow the next step. Okay, here is my REST application. Okay, so okay there is two ways you can create these steps. The next step, and that's create a tapp.xml using the admin panel and configure tapp.xml on your own. This is the easier way, but this is, I think, the more professional and easy to understand step. Okay, so we are going to make this. We will save copy of our tapp.xml on our desktop. Okay, we'll paste it here. Okay, here it is. What's the next step? Delete all the files in the project. Okay, this is all the files in our project. Delete. Okay, copy all the files, Titanium Restaurant folder, into your project now. Okay, this is in the files we have downloaded from Code Canyon. Okay, Code Canyon, Titanium Restaurant. Okay, we will copy all of them, copy 5 items, and we will paste them here. Okay, next step is open TAPL, just you copy it in the project. Okay, here it is, and we should go in overview. Okay, so we don't need any development, only production, but you will see now. Okay, let's now enter ID, give it an app name from our original. We will use Sublime. You can use whatever text editor you want. Okay, so this is our production. We will copy it. We will paste it here. Okay, here it is. Paste the API key. We will use the same API key also for development. So this is a very important step. Okay, now we will copy our ID. This is our ID. Sorry, here it is. Okay, next step is to my restaurant application name. Okay, now there is a GUID ID. We should copy that also. Here is the number. Okay, we will just copy it. Okay, there's one error, no problem. This should be replaced with your application ID, and this is our ID at the moment. So we will replace it. Okay, and here also. Okay, so far so good. As you can see, we are loading some modules here. You can see them here. These are the modules, and if you have some problem, you probably will missing some module. Make sure you check out the documentation and see how we're installing. You should install the modules. In my case, I already have the modules. Okay, just now save the tapp.html file and you are done. Make sure you follow the next videos and see how we'll proceed with creating our application.